The Dremel 8150 is a cordless rotary tool with an 8-volt, 2-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It has a brushless motor for durability and a longer life. The shaft accepts 1/32, 1/16, 3/32, and 1/8-inch collet sizes. The tool can be used for a wide range of projects and materials. It has an adjustable speed from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. The nose cap has a dimmable LED work light. The nose cap can be used to tighten and loosen the collet nut. It also comes with a collet wrench. The front button locks the shaft. It has an insulated, non-slip grip, and the slim design helps give you better control. The 8150 comes with a grinding stone, carving and engraving bits, a mandrel for cutting wheels and sanding discs, cutoff wheels, sanding bands, and a drum mandrel. You also get a USB-C charging cable, an accessory storage case, and a 2-year warranty.